Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 1st of November, Friday, and today was another fun day in the markets. Basically opened up right around here, bought up a little bit, and then a small stair-step sell-off began after that. Basically we did 3 trades today and pulled 3 points out of the market. So getting November off to a decent start. Our first trade was a short over here, which we did take profits on when it came down. Actually, when it came down and started coming back up is when we got out. I kind of watched this develop and watched this move. We did get short over here, which we were able to take a little profit on, and then we did get short again over here, which we did take profit on as it started to move lower. So we didn't get the full extent of the move, but that's basically what trading is all about. You want to take enough profit to where you're good, even if you do get a few drawdowns, but you will never get the entire extent of the move. Like calling the top here and calling the bottom here and calling the top here and the bottom here and the bottom here and the top here. Getting all of that is unrealistic. Is it going to happen a couple times? Yeah, it should happen a couple times. If you've been trading a few years, 5, 10 years or whatever, yeah, it should happen a couple times. But it's not going to be a common occurrence where you always call the top and the bottom. So a lot of new traders kind of get that in their head that, hey, I need to call the bottom, I need to call the top, and that's where catching a falling knife came in, or catching a rising knife. Someone threw it in the air and it's still going up. And it's definitely important. You want to keep that in mind that, just because you see a little support does not mean that the market is supporting. Just because you see a little resistance does not mean the market is at the top. And that's one thing that I teach. I like to get in, get out, get about 60 to 80% of the move ideally, and go on to another trade. Are there trades when I only get 40% of the move? Yes, of course there are. If you've been trading for as long as I have, you're going to get some where you only get 20 to 40% of the move, just because that's how it looks. And then other times you're going to get the majority of the move. And it just depends on how you play it and how the market does. If it does something like this where it comes down, it comes up, comes down, up, down, up, down, up, you're probably going to end up getting out of the trade, even if it ends up running up here, just because it would have chopped you out. And those are different things that you need to be comfortable with as a trader. I think it's important to become consistent as a trader and know your performance and everything, but it's also comfortable to be in tune with the market, to be, I guess, in reality with the market. Like, that you're not going to get every top and every bottom, and I think it's definitely important to realize that and to develop that mindset. And then once you are okay with that, then you can go forward and begin trading. So it's something I wanted to talk about a little bit. It's definitely an important topic. If you have any questions, you can definitely leave them below the video, or you can also email me directly, support@businesswithtrading.com. With that, thanks for watching the video. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.